Computer System Organization. What is segmented processors? Segmentation is the process in which the main memory of the computer is logically divided into different segments, and each segment has its own base address. Letter A. Fundamentals of designing a processor. Processor design is the design engineering task of creating a processor, a key component of computer hardware. It is a subfield of computer engineering, design development and implementation, and electronics engineering fabrication. The design process involves choosing an instruction set and a certain execution paradigm, VLIW or RISC, and results in a microarchitecture which might be described in VHDL or Verilog. Letter B. The instruction set. The instruction set, also called ISA, instruction set architecture, is part of computer that pertains to programming, which is more or less machine language. The instruction set provides commands to the processor to tell it what it needs to do. Letter C. Single cycle. A single cycle processor is a processor that carries out one instruction in a single clock cycle. Letter D. Data path and control. Data path is the hardware that performs all the required operation, for example, ALU, registers, and internal buses. Control is the hardware that tells the data path what to do in terms of switching, operation selection, data movement between ALU components. Letter E. The techniques of segmentation or pipeline. So I have here example of the technique of segmentation pipeline. I have here input and output of it.